This EPPIC tutorial will cover the use of the Transformation Toolkit. The Transformation Toolkit allows you to manipulate an item's position, orientation, and size. To duplicate a selected item, click the duplicate icon. Transformed items are considered identical by EPPIC and will be created with the same conditions and settings, including boundary conditions. To rotate a selected item, click the rotate icon. You can rotate an item around a major axis direction, or by using 2 points to define a rotation axis. Enter the rotation angle required and click OK. Mirror a selected item by clicking the mirror icon. From the drop-down menu, select the mirror plane and click OK. Change an item's location using the Translate tool. Select the item and click the Translate icon. Translate the item's location using an offset vector. Click OK to apply. Change a selected item's size by clicking the Scale icon. Modify the scale factor, then select an anchor point for the transformation, and click OK.